Lost or damaged your TomTom Rider GPS mount but still have your RAM mount? What if you could replace just the mount without breaking the bank? The TomTom Rider Replacement Mount Kit offers a smart, cost-effective solution that gets your navigation device securely back on your bike, fast and hassle-free. I've been there, wanting to keep my GPS powered and ready while on the road, without juggling bulky setups or complicated installs. This mount kit stands out because docking and undocking your TomTom Rider GPS is smooth and effortless. No more fumbling or risking damage when you need to grab your device quickly. Plus, it charges your GPS as you ride, so you never lose power during those long trips. What really matters is that this kit works with both 12 volts and 24 volts bike batteries, maximizing charging efficiency no matter your bike's system. It's an original TomTom accessory, compatible with rider models 550, 500, 450, 420, 410, 400, 42, and 41. If you already own a RAM mount, this replacement fits perfectly, saving you from buying a whole new setup. If you don't have the RAM mount yet, there's an inclusive kit available to cover everything you need. One rider in the U.S. shared how this kit allowed them to mount a 2018 TomTom Rider GPS onto their 2008 RAM mount without any issues. That's the kind of reliable compatibility you want when upgrading or replacing parts on your bike. If you're looking for a straightforward, durable replacement mount that keeps your TomTom Rider GPS charged and secure, this kit is worth a look. It's designed to make your ride smoother by keeping navigation simple and power consistent. Try it when you're ready to get back on the road with confidence.